YouTube, what's cracking? It's your boy Booch. Up early on this Monday morning down here in Daytona, Florida. You know, just chilling. And life been alright. It's been straight. You know what I'm saying? Shit could always be better. But for those that's, out there chasing y'all dreams, trying to make something happen for yourself, keep grinding. You know what I'm saying? It's always hard in the beginning. It's hard when you're going through it, even through the duration of it. But the end game, you know what I'm saying? Especially if you try to change your life and do something different, it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. Give you something to lead to your kids, give you something to, make you feel whole. But anyway, just chilling, I got a neighbor that got this pickup that I've been working on, and it's kind of like a a little fixer-upper type thing. He just using it to get around for junking and shit, you know? So this headliner situation, I'm sure y'all can see that shit. You see the shit hanging right here, We gon', what I'm saying? I'm gonna hook old man Unc up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Try to give him a little treatment. And he needs some music in here. We riding for him, and he ain't got no sounds. I know he wanna hear some Al Green, some whispers, you know what I'm saying, some boots to the ground or something on this. You know, understand me? I know he wanna hear something, so we'll take care of him. Follow me through the process, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. It's gonna be a short video. I'll show y'all some little couple things. All right. First thing, you gotta get your visors down. I got one down already. It wasn't nothing but some Phillips bolts, Phillips heads. Get your pillar bolts out. Pull your pillars back. Get your hanger loose. And you got something back there, a little pin, a little tab back there you gotta pull out. And your light fixture. You dig? And she gonna drop out. You heard me? Like a bad kid. Alright. Got this bad boy out. You gotta tear off all this extra material and stuff. The previous owner, I guess, it called themselves trying to staple the headliner up. Unc said fuck it and rip that shit down. But there's still tacks and staples and shit still in it, you know what I'm saying? But there ain't nothing. Pull that out, or pull those out, and then you take you what I like to do, take me one of them, and one of these, get all that foam off. I'll hit y'all back. Alright. We got most everything sanded off. Back down to the essence. Feel a little bit of fiber, a little bit, not fiber, I'm talking about, you feel, I don't know what you call that, traces of old foam or whatever, but it ain't that motherfucker smooth. So you ain't got to worry about when you put the headliner on. You ain't gonna have no lumps or anything like that, or any unevencies or whatever you want to call it. But I was looking at it, and I'm thinking that I had some old speakers sitting around. These old Bose DOE speakers. I think I'm gonna go ahead and hook up and incorporate this up in this headliner. Fiberglass these in for me. What y'all think? They're about 20 watts a piece, 30 watts a piece. They sound good on one of these newer little Android stereos, and he'd like it. Then I gotta find something to wrap this shit in. I don't know. I gotta see if I got enough suede in the house. Now I gotta run to the fabric store. Alright, hit y'all back. Okay, y'all. Got the pods in. Fleeced over. Good tip. If y'all ever run out of fleece, t-shirt work just fine. Stretch just like it. So, now get ready to glass it up. And throw a layer of chop mat on it. And you already know what's next. We back. Y'all see it. Decided to go two-tone with it. Got Unc in the building. You know what I'm saying? We out here just chilling real quick. But anyway, I'll tap back in with y'all. Y'all hear my daughter calling me.
He coming. She's about.
You know what I'm saying? Daughter calling me. So I'll tap back in with y'all. Y'all be good. Just some quick shit real quick.
Phone call.
You just got your what?
My phone call.
You got your phone call?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, YouTube. It's your boy Boots. I'll holler at y'all later on.
Come
All right.
on.